I'm Jody Cochran, the Poplar Bluff building trades teacher. I work at the Poplar Bluff Technical Career Center, and I have been in the construction industry for over 30 years and teaching for going on 10 years. In this program, what we do is we actually build a new construction home. In the 2 years that you're here, you would actually start framing a house, which would include the foundation, the framing of the walls, the trusses, the decking, the shingles, siding, windows, and doors. And at that first year, we usually have it where we can lock it up. Then we come into the second year, which is our finishing year, and then we would start on our rough end electrical, rough end plumbing, the insulation, drywall, attic insulation. After we get to that point, finish the drywall, come back and do our finish electrical, finish plumbing, finish flooring, install all the kitchen cabinets, any tile work, hardwood floors that we have in the house, everything that you would see in a new construction home that's for sale in the market today. These students will be able to put their hands on this stuff and be able to come out of the program ready to go into the field, into the industry, and have connections with contractors that I have connections with that will put them to work as soon as they graduate. In this program, what I love to see as an instructor when my students come in is to see the progression. Is when they come in, when they first start the program, they're very skittish. They don't want to put their hands on the electrical. They're very scared of it. And once I teach them the safety of electrical or plumbing or anything like that, then they come and they get comfortable with it, and they're able to turn that switch on and the light bulb works. When they're learning these fundamentals in the building trades program, it also gives them the capacity to be able to go into the workforce. After they graduate, they have the experiences, what the contractors are looking for, and they're able to go right to work. I have several local contractors. I'm still in touch with a lot of the industry, and they contact me all the time. They even show up out at the building trades house to ask if I have any students that are available. So there's plenty of demand, and so, for any student that comes through the program to get a job right out of when they graduate, and they're able to go to work without the college debt. They can go make money, and right off the bat.